Hi, I'm AJ with ENVE Composites, and we're proud to introduce our Hex gravel tire lineup. With 3 different size options, each available in 2 different casing constructions, we've got something for everyone, from the champagne gravel racer to the adventure rider wandering into tougher and more unforgiving terrain. In this video, we'll dive into what makes these tires special and all the technical work we put into crafting a gravel tire that checks all the boxes for us. First, we'll discuss the unique hex tread pattern. This hexagonal shape of our tire utilizes surface area and angles to accomplish more per size than simple shapes like circles or squares. Each hex block is structurally stronger than simple circle shapes and allows it to grip better and not fall away, resulting in a more positive traction. Looking at the side profile of the tire, you can see that they're directional. This can likewise be felt with your hand going back and forth over the tire. Similar to a cat tongue, you can roll smoothly going down the tread, not impeding rolling resistance or efficiency. Moving backwards, however, against the tread as you would while braking, the top edge bites in and provides ample braking traction when you need to stop in a hurry on steep terrain or slow down on loose dirt without skidding. Looking at the 3/4 view of the tire, you can see that each hex tread block angles and articulates outwards towards the edges of the tread. This allows for even greater cornering traction and traction on uneven roads with steeper crowns, where you find yourself not directly in the center of the road, but slightly off to the sides. Each of these independent knobs in the center and just off center are decoupled and enable the casing to flex and conform to the terrain. This means maximum traction and rolling performance, and not a tire that's too stiff and unwilling to conform to the complex gravel and trail surfaces. Similarly, this helps us shedding dirt and prevents too much packing up of the dirt into the tread. At the very edges, however, we've doubled up the side knobs and increased their size. Pairing the hexes allows them to truly dig in and provide a strong bite on hard cornering and not fall or fold away. Overall, you can see that we use the power of math, angles, and strong shapes to make a tread profile that rolls fast, but provides confidence everywhere you need it in the uncertainties of gravel racing and exploring. Next, we'll discuss the casing construction options we're offering. The first is the standard casing. Designed for a supple ride feel and maximum rolling efficiency, this light and fast casing is meant for a gravel racer prioritizing speed over protection. This casing construction still incorporates a barrier for puncture protection in the tread, but forgoes full casing protection to prioritize a more supple ride feel that's ultimately lighter. This construction also incorporates a higher chafer strip at the tire's bead to offer a greater level of pinch flat protection. This extra 3 millimeters of material wrap around the bead and up the sidewall can help reduce pinch flats by up to 50% in our lab testing. Keeping it at that 3 millimeters is key and not any higher, however, and allows to still provide a confident ride feel and traction instead of a sidewall that's too stiff and unforgiving. Nanotechnology is utilized in the compound to remove fillers that don't inherently help with the traction or rolling efficiency. Standard tire fillers typically help rubber construction, but ultimately make for a tire that's too hard and slow. By utilizing nanotechnology, we can incorporate nano fillers into the rubber that won't be too hard and allow the rubber to be naturally more supple and faster overall. Finally, Kevlar beads are used to optimize for a secure tubeless setup. The Carapace casing is designed for moderate to rough terrain with durability and protection in mind. Coupled with a compound that won't sacrifice rolling resistance, we've created a tire that provides flat-free confidence with the speed and braking grip of our unique hex tread pattern. Also, bead-to-bead Kevlar provides protection at the sidewalls so sharp rocks won't make a long day unnecessarily longer. We've tested numerous versions of this tire casing and compound to give you the best possible intersection of performance and protection. Finally, Kevlar beads are also used in this casing to optimize for a secure tubeless setup. Now, let's talk about width options. The Hex gravel tire is available in 3 different sizes in both the standard and the Carapace casing. Between these 6 different options, there's a gravel tire available for just about every rider and scenario, from the gravel racer to the excursion rider navigating tougher terrain. Those sizes are 40 millimeter, 44 millimeter, and 48 millimeter. 3 different sizes doesn't mean we copy and pasted the tread pattern, however. The tread blocks scale up from 40mm to 44mm and then to 48mm. They are not the same across each size, and they proportionally grow relative to the size of the tire. This makes each tire truly specific in use. Overall, designed for race, performance, and adventure, the Hex gravel tires and Hex Carapace gravel tires deliver uniform driving, braking, and cornering grip to ensure confident handling in mixed, dry, and hard-packed conditions. The hexagonal tread pattern's detached progressive spacing further improves rolling resistance while adeptly clearing debris and enhancing cornering bite. With 2 casing constructions, each available in 3 sizes, there's a gravel tire available for just about every rider and scenario. Reach out to your local ENVE dealer to experience the magic of the ENVE Hex gravel tire.